Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, inviting, mouth-watering coconut vegetable shrimp rice. Okay, so for this recipe guys, we're going to be needing 4 cups of basmati rice. You can see my rice over there, and I'm going to drop all the list of these ingredients you're seeing right here on the description box. Please do check it out so you'll be able to access them. And I'm using 2 canned coconut milk to make this recipe, as it is more easy and quick when you get your already made coconut milk. Okay, and also I'm going to be using some turkey broth, turkey stock, to season up this rice to give it that nice flavor. So guys, we'll start by parboiling our rice, wash it and keep it to cool down. And I'm using coconut oil to stir fry my veggies, as it is coconut rice, so we're going to be using coconut oil to stir fry our veggies. So guys, I'm going to stir fry my onion, and I'm going to put in my prawn to make it get a nice flavor from the onion. I'm going to stir fry it. So I'm just going to allow it to cook for 2 minutes, and I will take the shrimp off. So when you're done taking off your shrimp, you're just going to add in all your sliced vegetable. I have washed and sliced my vegetable. I have 2 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, and 1 scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm just going to stir fry it, season it up, and allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, I'm going to be using some all-purpose seasoning to season up my veggies. I'm just going to sprinkle in some all-purpose seasoning. And I'm going to be adding 1 chicken stock powder. I'm going to add in some salt to taste. And I'm going to be adding a little bit of ginger powder. I will give it a nice good stir. I will allow it to cook for just a minute and then set it aside. So when I'm done with my veggies, I'm going to get another pot. I'm going to add in my turkey stock, and I'm going to put in my 2 canned coconut milk. I'm going to add in some thyme powder. This is going to give it a nice inviting aroma. And I'm going to add 1 chicken stock powder. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoonful of hot curry powder. I'm going to add in just a little salt, as I already seasoned my veggies. Then I'm adding my parboiled rice, and I will give it a very nice stir. Add in all my stir-fried veggies. So when I'm done adding the veggies, I'm just going to give it a nice stir. And guys, please make sure you have enough water for your rice to cook. So as you can see, the water is above the rice, and I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook until it's well cooked and you have no more water on the top. So right now I'm just garnishing it, giving it that nice inviting fresh tomato and spring onion. So when I'm done adding the tomato and spring onion, I'm just going to cover it up and allow it to cook more. So you can see right now the rice is properly cooked. I'm just checking out to see if the water is all dried up. So it's dried up. I'm just going to move it up a bit in order, if there is any more water at the bottom, to properly dry, and I'm going to add in the fried shrimp that I already set aside before. I'm going to add it in now and cover it and allow it to cook for just 2 minutes more. So you can see it is well cooked. I'm just going to give it a very nice stir, and you can see how inviting this rice is. Oh my goodness, guys, I don't even need to tell you how my windows were hitting, like my windows was banging, because I have to make sure I shut all my windows because I don't want anybody to perceive this food. Guys, you know I love food, so I just want to enjoy it with my family alone. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Till I see you again, love you, stay blessed.